So today I'm going to show you how I put my fidgets away. First I start with these, and then I put my poppets in next. And then my monkey noodles. Oh no, it fell. My marble mesh. My Rubik's Cubes. All my mochis. Oh no. And then my pea poppers. These. My fidget spinner. If you're wondering what happened to the other one, I found that one and it was broken. These spinny things. Puzzle ball. These. This. I have both of these. This. And then, hold on. Infinity cube. Bike chain. One of my homemade fidgets. A button clicker. And then a key chain holder to hold one of these things. And I have this. Bye!